Hi friends, we are going to review how to use Seesaw. So we are going to use Seesaw in our classroom to stay connected. You will complete assignments and you can upload your own work in class onto Seesaw for your families to see, for yourself to look back at your amazing work, and for me to look at. So a couple key things you will need to know before we start is you will need your QR code. You will scan that, or you can log in. When you've logged in, you should see this about this screen. And when you log on, I want you to find activities. There should be no activities in your activity library now because I have not assigned you anything. But this will have a 1 or 2 or 3, any number with the activities that you still need to complete. That's where you will find them. So let's review. Where can you find the activities that I assigned you? In the light bulb. The second thing I want you to realize is that you can upload your own work. So maybe I ask you to go on a scavenger hunt and to upload a picture of your favorite pet or your favorite food, your favorite stuffed animal. Or maybe I say, hey, boys and girls, can you take a picture of your work and upload it to Seesaw? Well, how would you do that? Simple. You're going to press the Add button. You're going to press the Drawing tool. I want you to use the T tool to type, but you can also use the T tool to highlight, erase, write, use a pencil, and this tool you can use to drag. On the side here, you can change your colors. For the most part, I'm going to encourage you to type because it'll be easier for both of us to see your work. It's clearer and it's more organized. You will mostly use the drawing tool to circle things or highlight things. I really love this icon here. This is the record button. You will press that to explain your work. So sometimes if I might ask you to read your writing. That's what you would do. You'd press that button, the microphone. You can also take a picture of your assignments here and upload it to there, and maybe you want to highlight your favorite part of it or highlight your name to show me that you added your name to your work, or maybe to highlight your periods and your capitalization. You can take a picture and then you can go over and highlight your work. When you are finished, you're going to press the check button. But if you are not finished and you want to come back to it, you can press the draft button. That means you're going to save your work for later. Now to find my name and press the draft button. Okay, let's say I want to go back in and I'm done. I want to submit my work. I would press the check button. So those are just a couple icons to get us started for the school year that I want you to know. So let's review. Activities, find the light bulb. Post something to your journal, press the Add button. What do you use to type or to draw? The T. What do you use to speak and explain your work? The microphone. How could you upload something? A picture of something around your house or your work? The camera. Now that you have finished watching this screencast, I'm going to ask that you complete the survey with someone at home. I can't wait to see what you've learned during this screencast. Thank you so much for watching.